Custom settings for VBA project protection. Hide module settings. Only standard modules will be hidden. Classes and forms are visible. The VBA project is not locked, so you can add or remove modules. Producers can be called from hidden modules, but their VBA code is not visible. As you can see in this picture, the list of modules is displayed. You can select your project modules from this list in order to hide them from users. Module name settings and adding fake modules. Standard modules, form and class. As you can see here, you can add fake modules and classes to the project and mislead the attackers. You can also register your copyright in one of these modules. In this page, 4 forms and 5 fake modules have been added to mislead attackers. In this page, you can see the settings that names of all unhidden modules, forms and classes can be seen in Solution Explorer window, but their source code is locked and unviewable, and users are warned with the project is unviewable message. According to the picture, you can select the settings such as password setting to increase the protection level, hide visibility setting, lock VB editor setting, and lock user edit setting. In this page, you can see the settings in which the names of all unhidden modules, forms and classes cannot be seen in Solution Explorer window, but their source code is locked and unviewable, and users are warned with the project is unviewable message. Here, by selecting the host protect option, the name of all modules is locked, and its details such as forms, classes, and modules are unviewable. You can obfuscate your project source code completely in order to make it meaningless for those who will access to it.